I'm Tommy from Peerless Protection, and today we're going to demonstrate how to properly apply our concrete sealer. By watching this video, you will see how simple it is to apply our sealer, and by following these basic steps, we can assure you complete satisfaction while using our product. Surface preparation is vital because it will remove the layer of dirt and grime from the substrate, as well as any other sealers that have been previously applied. In addition to surface preparation, we always suggest doing a small test area first to ensure you get your desired results. Once the substrate has been pressure washed and is dry, you are ready for application. We suggest mixing 1 gallon of concrete sealer with 1 gallon of water, which will give you 2 working gallons. Coverage rate will be approximately 150 square feet per working gallon. Additional mixing instructions can be found on the label or on our product data sheet, which can be found at peerless-protection.com. For best results, we suggest using a yard sprayer for initial application and then back rolling the product into the substrate with a 1/2-inch nap roller. When spray applying, you want to saturate the surface to the point where it is visually starting to puddle and then allow it to soak in for 3 to 5 minutes. Any remaining puddles should be back rolled until there is no standing product on the surface. After application, the treated surface will be dry to the touch within 1 hour, 4 hours for foot traffic, and vehicle safe within 24 hours.
Variety of concrete materials, including stamped concrete, which has become one of the most popular materials for patios, pool decks, and sidewalks. While stamped concrete is installed with a color pigment and finishing coat, over time the top coat will wear down from traffic, chemicals, and natural weather elements. Left exposed, the stamped concrete will begin to decay and the topical appearance will become unsightly. Seal Once Nano Plus Poly Concrete and Masonry Sealer is ideal for refinishing stamped concrete. As a water-based, non-toxic penetrating sealer, Nano Plus Poly is really easy to work with. By following the 10 simple steps on how to apply Seal Once, you will be able to restore your stamped concrete, providing years of protection. Step 1. Make sure there is no rain in the forecast for approximately 48 hours. Remove grass, overgrowth, and more so that all of the concrete edges are properly trimmed. Do not apply Seal Once in temperatures below 50 degrees or above 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Freshly poured concrete should be allowed to cure completely at a minimum 7 days before applying Seal Once. Step 2. Power wash the stamped concrete to remove any additional dirt or debris. Step 3. Once dry, use a concrete cleaner like Seal Once Concrete and Masonry Cleaner to help remove mold and mildew, as well as other contaminants. Refer to manufacturer's instructions for proper application information, including dilution rates and mixing information. Step 4. Using a power washer, remove the cleaning agent, making sure none of the solution remains on the concrete. Step 5. Wait until the stamped concrete has dried before applying Seal Once. If you have pockets of water in any recessed areas, use a dry rag to pick up the excess water. It's important for all surfaces to be completely dry before application. Step 6. Open the container of Seal Once and properly stir to make sure all of the ingredients are suspended and haven't settled to the bottom. Step 7. Pour Seal Once into a garden sprayer or container if you are going to brush apply. It is not recommended that you use a roller, since Seal Once will splatter and go on unevenly. Step 8. Apply the first coat of Seal Once, making sure to reach all surface areas. If spray applying, make sure to backbrush in areas that have excessive pooling. Step 9. Once the first coat is damp or dry to the touch, approximately 30 minutes to an hour, apply the second coat. The dry time will vary significantly based on the weather conditions. It is best to apply in low humidity and in indirect sunlight. Do not wait hours to apply the second coat. If you wait too long, the second coat will not adhere properly to the first coat. Step 10. Under most normal conditions, the second coat will dry within a few hours, with full cure within 24 to 48 hours. In the meantime, keep heavy traffic and furniture or other abrasive items off of the stamped concrete surface. Seal Once. It's fast, long-lasting, and safe for the environment. Protect your concrete and extend its useful life.
Slip and fall accidents in their tracks. Tuff Grip non-skid paint coating can take the slick out of your industrial surfaces including metal, raw concrete, painted concrete, diamond plate, and wood. UV protected, Tuff Grip can withstand the worst weather and still provide durability and slip resistance for years. In aggressive, highly textured paint, Tuff Grip improves the traction of virtually any surface. Applied in 2 light coats, this non-skid paint works well on walkways, ramps, warehouses, machining areas, bed liners, and catwalks. Don't slip, get a grip. Tuff Grip by Slip Doctors, skid-free paint solution for indoor-outdoor areas.
The Spruce has partnered with KILZ, one of the top paint manufacturers in North America, to create the perfect collection of interior paints. Paint is magic. It's high impact and transformational, yet totally affordable. Walls, fireplaces, cabinets, whatever it is, I've probably painted it a few times. But the color wheel and wall of paint chips can feel overwhelming, and painting an entire room can feel daunting, especially if you feel like you need to be an expert. With a mixture of data and decades of editorial experience, the Spruce has selected just enough color choice to give you the options that you want, but not so many that you're left feeling paralyzed. There are 32 perfect colors and more to be added as seasons and trends change. Not 30 shades of blue. These are curated colors to simplify your life. Gray has been an essential color story for the past 10 years. I'm kind of addicted to grays. Whites are just classic, so serene and clean. I really like minimalist look, and the soft pink of Rose Power is subtle and sweet. I also love a bold color to create some drama on a feature wall or cabinet. The Spruce Best Home Paint is paint and primer in one, and that's one less thing you have to do. This paint checks all the right boxes. It's low odor, low VOC, washable, and stain resistant. And as a mom of 3, I can really appreciate that. Plus, order online and paint ships right to your door. No getting kids in and out of car seats and dragging them around the store. With the Spruce Best Home Paint, the colors are curated, the process is simple, and you're completely ready to take on that exciting new painting project.
Sikacryl Ready Mix Concrete Patch. Sikacryl Ready Mix Concrete Patch is an easy-to-use, acrylic-based, textured concrete patch for repairing small spalls and cracks in concrete and masonry. It cures to a tough and durable finish. Before applying, be sure the surface is clean, dry, and free of all loose material. Use a putty knife or trowel to apply the product to the surface. Ensure that enough product is pushed into the crack or spall to provide coverage. Tool as required. Areas greater than 1/4 inch deep may require 2 or more applications. Allow repaired area to dry and fully cure for at least 24 hours.